for entrance exams. Topic applications of derivatives. Previous papers. The maximum value of xy when x plus 2y is equal to 8 is option A 20, option B 16, option C 24, option D 8, option E for Kerala CEE 2005. Okay? How to proceed? Given equation is x plus 2y is equal to 8, which gives you 2y is equal to x, 8 minus x, or y is equal to 4 minus x by 2. Okay? Then you define, because you want xy to be maximum. So you define a new function p, which is a product of xy, which is equal to x, y is this. Multiply this by x. So you get 4x minus x squared by. You want to find maximum of this. So find dp by dx, which is 4 minus 2x by 2, which is 4 minus x, and you should equate it to 0, whether it is for maximum or minimum. You have to equate it to 0. Therefore, equate minus 4 minus x to 0, you get x as 4. So at x is equal to 4, this p, which is xy, can either be maximum or minimum. We have to make sure whether it is, you have to find out whether it is actually a maximum or a minimum. You go for the second derivative. dp by dx we already found. Go to d squared p by dx squared. So you differentiate this once. This is dp by dx. When you differentiate this, you get minus 1, which is less than 0. When the second derivative is negative, then we should say that x is equal to 4 will represent a maximum. Okay? When x is 4, therefore this is maximum. When x is 4, y should be 2y is equal to 8 minus 4, which is 4. Therefore you get y is equal to 2. So the point x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 represent a maximum point. So that represents a maximum. So xy is what? That's the question. What is the maximum value of xy? So p of xy is equal to x is 4, y is 2, so 8. So the maximum value is x and y. Okay? So is there any shortcut for this? Of course there is a shortcut. What you will do is just trace this line. So this is x and y. When you trace this line, there is a point 4 here, there is a 2 here. Okay? 4 and 2. This is a line. Which is this point will be, we will have to find it. For this point, y axis is 0. So we will have this point as 4, you want to find out this point. For this point, you make y 0. So this will be 0, 4. For this point, x is 0. So 0, 4. How do you say 0, 4? Make x 0. 2y is equal to 8. Y coordinate is 4, x coordinate is 0. And for the other point here, this is y, this is x. For this point, y is 0. You make y 0, you get x 0. So 8, is a point. And the maximum value of xy will come somewhere here, in between, exactly between A and B. The center point, C, will correspond to the maximum value of x and y. So how do you find that center point? x1 plus x2 by 2. 0 plus 8 by 2. and then y coordinate at the center point, y1 plus y2 by 2. 0, 8, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 8, x1, x2, y1, 4 plus 0 by 2. This gives you 4 comma, the point is here, which is 4 comma. There is a proof, of course. If you want to prove it, you can take a general equation. Ax plus by is equal to c, and then you can find out the midpoint, and also you can find out by the differentiation method. You will definitely prove that the midpoint will be the point for which the product of x and y coordinates is maximum. But why should it be maximum? That's because suppose this is the line extending. Suppose if you go in the fourth quadrant, the line goes into the fourth quadrant also. If the line goes into the fourth quadrant, xy term will be, because x will be positive but y will be negative, xy term will be negative. Therefore, there is no maximum here possible. Maximum of the product xy. Similarly, here also, when you extend the line to the other side, here also you can see x is negative and y is positive. So xy term will be negative, so there is no maximum possible here. So somewhere in between a and b, you will have a maximum. That will correspond to the point C, which is 4th.